Garbage, trash, and waste. Once it leaves our home, most of us never think about it again. Today we're going to go to the Billings landfill and learn how Carlson Command helps manage that waste and helps operators and the environment in the process.
This is the City of Billings Regional Landfill, and they are packing garbage. Airspace is everything out there that you see that has nothing in it, that we got to get as much garbage per cubic yard as we can, because that's what we're selling is airspace. Compaction is key here. When I started here, we were supposed to be done in this area here in 2.5 years. I've been here 9 years now, and we still got another 3 to 4 years before we're done. Big time helps out the environment. The Carlson system helps us stay on track, keep our little pods at the right size, helps get us compaction, keeps everything flowing.
Before you had to get out and try to make sure one pad, your building was level with the next, but you don't have to do that anymore. You just follow everything inside that GPS, and we just winged our slopes. We weren't really sure what they were. They were supposed to be 4 to 1, but with the GPS, we switched to 3 to 1 slopes. So it really does help with your slopes and your top.
Landfill grade software eliminates unnecessary passes, saves fuel, and improves efficiency. It reaches optimum density in less time and provides real-time operator grade guidance. Plus, site supervisors and operators can easily track compaction in real time with color mapping using pass counts and vertical deflection.
We normally push about 100 pad, but now that Carlson's put pods in, whatever pod it builds, the good thing about that is it's color coordinated. So when it's red, it's telling you only been over it once or twice. It turns to a green, you're getting your compactions better. Once it turns to a light blue, then you know you're packed.
We'll be able to watch it on my desktop real time and let them know what they're doing. They can see themselves on monitor in the cab real time, so they know exactly where they're at and what to do. Our challenge out here is we average about 15 to 1,600 ton a day, which is a big deal. That helps us manage our pile better. We can keep the garbage moving off the deck into the pile, compacting it quicker and putting it to bed faster. They have come a long ways with the technology, and we've got a really good working relationship with the Carlson system at RDO.
It's really interesting how they build landfills with such ease and efficiency. A special thanks to all the people at the Billings landfill that allowed us to make this episode. See you next time on the track. And helps people be safe, and the environment and the environment and humans stay safe. I don't like that.
You know, I don't know about that, because I'm going to throw a zinger at you. How's that sound?
That's okay. We love that.